Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here an idyllic home, nestled amid lush greenery and bordered by an 18-hole golf course in the elegant atmosphere that is Norbrook, Kingston, Jamaica. This 6-bedroom, 6-bathroom property offers peace, comfort, and fortified security as it is located in a gated community and a quiet cul-de-sac. It is home to many diplomatic residents. One of the most alluring features of this home is its enormous terrace, surrounded by the ever-flourishing canopy, bordering the golf course, and is ideal for families who loves to entertain. Whether purchasing as your tropical family abode or your next best investment opportunity, you will surely reap the reward of owning premium real estate in one of the most sought-after communities in Kingston, Jamaica. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this property is US 1.35 million or Jamaican $207.7 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.